Hi Virgo, this is Bonnie from Calling on Angels 1111. I'm an intuitive psychic medium and a tarot card reader, and I'm here to give you a general love reading for the collective sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Cross watchers are always welcome. If the reading resonates, please give the video a thumbs up and share it. Hit subscribe if you haven't already. Whatever doesn't resonate, please leave it right here. It's just for another Virgo that's watching. A reminder, this is a collective reading. If you're looking for a private reading, my contact information's down below in the description box. Please check your natal charts. Take a look at your moon sign. That's all about your emotions. Your Venus sign is all about how you show up in a relationship. The rising sign, how other people see you. And Mercury is communications. So let's get to it. I'm going to do a 4-column spread. I have 4 different decks. They are all pre-shuffled and we're ready to go. All right. This is going to be your energy. Okay. Now we have your person's energy. The current status of the relationship. Whoops. And we'll go for the future of the relationship. We will go row by row. First, we're going to pull these back and see what your energy. King of Swords. That is very cool, calm, and collected. Up in your head. Gets things done quickly. Nobody argues. It's very brave and courageous. And let's see what your person's energy is. Okay. They've had some sadness. That is the status of the relationship. That is needing to be grounded, possibly a workaholic. Okay. The relationship needs to be balanced. This is the future. Things are going to move quickly. Okay, let's see. Here again, what is yours? Energy. Page of Wands is in reverse. We have our person. The past is over. Okay, that fits with that really well. Starting over. The Knight of Wands, very passionate. That's the current state of the relationship. And the future, the Queen of Cups. Oof, that's Cancer energy. That's all about unconditional love. All right, your energy over here. The Queen of Wands. Ooh, she's very creative, kind of entrepreneurial, gets things done. Believe me, nobody argues. She's very kind, though. When she's finished, she helps others. See your person's energy here. Overthinking. Yep. Feeling trapped in their head. We have the Knight of Swords on the current state of the relationship in reverse. And we have for the future, needing some rest. All right, the final card for your energy, Judgment in reverse. And your person trying to get things in balance. This is like that one, juggling. Current state of the relationship, the Nine of Pentacles in reverse. And the future, final card on the future, Ten of Cups. It's pretty nice. Ten of Cups is one of 4 commitment cards in the deck. I call it my happily ever after card. All right, let me take a good look and give you a good interpretation here. Okay. You're having a problem. Okay. You're resisting a path is the best way to put this. You're resisting what destiny has for you, your purpose. That's the best way I'm going to put that right now. Have you been having, I don't know about that. Let's go to your person. Your person has just had the ending of a relationship. And starting a relationship with you, they're all up in their head. They're still trying to get things in balance, which brings us to here. The current state is that things are kind of out of balance here. There's some passion. Believe me, there's passion. But one of you is having a hard time stepping into the other person. It's like you want it your way. I'm not saying it's yours, it could be theirs, but somebody wants it their way. And there's some sort of financial issue here. That could be if this person isn't divorced yet. Okay, that's the sense I'm getting. Now, the future state, when things get going, they're going to go fast. There will be a lot of unconditional love. Though there will be peaceful, restful periods. And I see it being the happily ever after card is here. You really can't go any further than that, really. Let's see if I've got. I'm not hearing anything different than that. This is the one that needs to change first. Stop fighting. Stop doubting yourself. Quit resisting the path okay? Just trust the process, okay? Trust the journey. Enjoy each moment, and as the steps are shown to you, take them. That will help all of this occur. All right. Virgo, I hope you enjoyed the reading. I hope it resonated. If it did, please give the video a thumbs up, share it, and hit subscribe. Whatever doesn't resonate, leave right here. It's only for somebody else. We've talked about that and looking at your chart. I hope you'll look at the other ones, the other videos. It'll give you a more rounded picture of what's going on. If you didn't find a message or nothing resonated here, look at those other videos. You're likely to find messages there. Okay, thank you for joining me, Virgo. I hope you have a blessed week. And please take some time during the week to listen for the whispers of your angels.